Okay, so let's talk about how to install Python on Windows. To install Python in Windows, let's go to python.org, python.org, right? This is the home. Now we are at python.org. So if you go into the download section, you will see that they have detected that now you are on Windows and therefore they give Python downloadable. So you simply click on the download button, which should give us a pop-up to download this. Okay, so we have got our window, and here I will save it with any name I want. For example, let's keep this name. Okay, I will click save. So it is saving, I think. Yeah, down below. So as soon as that finishes, I will simply open it, open this downloaded exe file, and let's wait for it to open. Okay, so now we have this installer open, and I will simply go on clicking through all the steps. So I will select add python 3.92 path. This is very important, otherwise you will have to do a few different steps later on. So please remember to do this. Then I will go into install now because I don't want to make any customizations. If you want you can go here, you can select where it will be installed and stuff like that, but I will simply install and we will wait for it to finish. Now if you are on Windows, it might ask you a security permission pop-up that I cannot show you on the recording. When it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, select yes. Okay, and as soon as you select yes, the setup will start to install your app. Let's wait for the installation to finish. Okay, so that's it. Our Python installation has been successful. You can simply click on the close button and that's it. Now we will do a few steps to verify that our installation was successful. So I will go and start my command prompt, which you can do by pressing Windows R and then typing cmd, okay, and press enter. As soon as you press enter, your terminal should show up, and in the terminal you can type py and press enter. This will take you into your Python app. Okay, so right now you are into the Python console. So just to test, you can type 2 plus 3, press enter, and it gives you 5. So everything works. We have the right Python version and our Python commands work. So that's it. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video.